Whew. So we've all heard about the Oxi Clean brand line of products, and especially with that Oxi Clean guy saying it gets the tough stains out. Oxi Clean, it gets the tough stains out.
Oxi Clean laundry stain remover. It gets the tough stains out.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. And guess what? Did you know that Walmart sells an Oxi Clean product for cleaning your car seats? If you said no, just like myself, I didn't know that either until I found this bad boy right here. Ooh! That's right. Until I found this at Walmart last night for $8. My friend Rio, he got this from Walmart as well for $4 off of the clearance rack. So I'm kind of jealous that he was able to find it for cheaper, but whatever. I'm gonna give this a go on my seats. I have a 2013 FRS. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, my seats are in pretty good condition. They're not stained or anything like that, but I gotta be honest with you, they kind of smell a little bit. About 2 weeks ago here in Michigan, we had a really big storm, and I had to make an errand at the beginning of that storm, and as soon as I stepped out of my car, I was completely drenched. And then by the time I got back in my car, my drenched clothing, the water from my clothes soaked up in these fabric seats, and then I went on a little one-day road trip across Michigan. To explain myself why I'm doing this, I want to see if I can get the smell out of my seats, and this is going to be a totally brutally honest review. No, this is not a sponsored video, so you can count on something extremely truthful. Enough of me talking, let's get busy. Ooh, wait a dang second. Let me read the directions before we get started. I cannot even read this. This print is so freaking small on it. I feel like such an old man. Okay, let's see. Step 1, spray. Spray directly onto dirty or soiled areas. Okay. All right, step 2, wait. Allow time for foam to penetrate dirt and grease and lift from surface. Okay. Step 3, scrub. Use the brush to scrub surface and gently lift debris until stains are gone. Ooh, or in this case, until the scent of wet odor is gone. Okay, it is starting to sprinkle, so hopefully it doesn't start downpouring and my video gets ruined. But let's see. Step 1, spray. I think I can do that. Let's do it. Let's try it. Whoa! I don't know how much to spray. I think that's good. I don't know. That looks good, I guess. I mean, I don't know.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Wait 30 seconds. All right. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. Let's check it out. Number 3, scrub. Oh yeah. Use brush to scrub surface and gently lift debris until stains are gone. Okay, let's try this. This seems a little rough for the seats. Maybe I should put some more on it. I feel like I'm gonna rip my seats. So on the bottle, it only has the 3 steps right here, but it doesn't say what to do after you're done scrubbing. So I don't know, maybe I'll try vacuuming it. All right, it is starting to rain, and I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and see what it looks like and probably vacuum it. overall, I'm pretty glad that I did end up buying this product from Walmart. Although it was on the more expensive side, I say it was definitely worth the price for what you get. It definitely did take the smell out of my seats, which is pretty cool, and it did bring back the rich black color of the seats. It makes them pop just a little bit more. OXICLEAN, they do a great job at least advertising their stuff for the clothing market, and now it seems like they have joined the car cleaning market, and they're doing a pretty good job, I think, so far. So definitely give it a try. Again, it's not a sponsored video, so these are my honest thoughts. But anyways, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch a DNA Drives video. Hope to see you next time back here on the channel. Thanks a lot.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.